So anyway, over there in Shanghai, they're going to live in the factory. And the closed loop system, that proposal, I mean, the point of that is nobody in, nobody out. But it's pretty obvious that it's going to be, I like that. Somebody suggested Later Ultra. Oh, man. It's exactly like Later, but Ultra. They're like, hey, nothing changed about the show at all, except the price tag. I'm like, that's right, because it's Ultra now. Although you're the Ultra guy, but we don't have to go into it. We don't have to go into it. Shout out, Lee. So you got these I mean, that's going to suck. God. It's like you, Will. You can't wait to go home at the end of the day.
Yeah, just rush out.
Imagine just sleep under the table there. Oh. I'm like, Will, this is a closed loop system. He's like, you're just holding me hostage. What do you mean it's a closed loop system? I'm like, nothing in, nothing out. I got a zero tolerance policy.
Just like, here I go.
Yeah.
Going down.
Oh, man.
That's a lot to ask for your employees.
It is.
Let me ask you something.
Where do they sleep?
I'm sure they have beds.
Well, they're going to have to put a...
Like, is it in the corner, or do they have their own station and then they just work there and sleep there?
They're going to have to put a sleeping quarters in there now that they're requesting this.
Yes.
And it's not unprecedented because some of them are more closed systems like Foxconn and stuff. They build the whole town around a factory. So maybe it's not as unheard of in China. But I want to ask you guys something on a tangent because I haven't been on one in a while.
Okay.
If you had to spend the night in this place, if you were trapped in here for whatever reason, where would you sleep?
The boiler room.
Hey, that was very easy for you.
Yeah.
You're looking for the smallest enclosed space in here.
Like, you're talking about, like...
what is it? No, you're worried about getting snuck up on?
Yeah, well, this place is huge. You've been here alone, obviously.
You ever been in this place before? You ever been here before?
You ever been just standing somewhere and then you hear a noise from, like, down the hall?
I'm sure. It's huge.
It's quite terrifying, especially with all the lights off. You're like, poof, man, this place is huge. Anybody could be here.
Anybody could be here. Absolutely.
Yeah. So I want to have.
So you're going for the smallest room with a single point of entry.
But also, there's a TV in there. There's a couch. It's a nice, comfortable. There's carpet.
Sure, but
That's a big deal.
If that room was empty but just had one couch in it, you'd still pick it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the real reason is you're looking for the tightest enclosed cave.
Yeah.
Right? It's like survival in here.
However, actually, that
Shout
room
out,
might be
Brandon.
the green room might be the best because you have the alarm system.
You have the massage chair over there.
Yeah, and you have the alarm system.
I've seen Will sleeping in there on multiple occasions.
Yeah, just snoring.
But it's multiple points of entry.
Yes.
3 points of entry, which you hate.
Yes, I'm not a big fan.
And it's a lot more glass and stuff. So you're looking for a cave. Okay, I like your answer. Go ahead. What do you have? And tell the truth, Will.
You're talking about just alone here?
Yeah, you're trapped alone here. Not even Otis.
I would go for the green room.
Green room.
Yeah, the green room's good.
I like this multiple entrances and exits.
See, so this brings me to the next thing about you're sleeping at night, and I don't know what your circumstances are, but door open to the bedroom or closed? Shout out, Oscar. Some people are adamant about these things. They're like, I got to have the door open, or I can't even fall asleep without the door closed.
Yeah.
Like, some people are adamant. So when you go to bed at night, is your door shut or not?
At home or here?
Okay, let's hear both.
Well, here it's shut. At home it's open.
Interesting. Will?
Half open.
Oh,
For all.
At home, half open? What's that about?
Otis likes to move around. I don't know.
Another Otis
Living room and the
excuse.
bedroom. Yeah.
Another Otis excuse. Okay, let's say there was no Otis involved. Open or closed?
Closed.
Fully closed.
Yeah.
Really?
I would like to hear it. If someone opens the door.
Yeah.
Easy.
Oh, wait. You want to hear the door being open?
Yeah.
Well, I
Like
just want to have the
alarm.
door open so I can hear if somebody's walking around.
Oh, okay.
Like I can hear.
I don't know if it works that way. I think he's right. You're more likely to hear the door open than you are somebody quietly moving about because your door's half open. They can then just slide through there.
Yeah, I know, but you got to pass other doors. Like,
But what type of hearing are you dealing with?
My place is tiny.
No,
so
no.
for me,
I'm
it's
saying how deep are you as a sleeper?
me not very deep.
So that's why you're saying that.
Yeah.
But if you're a deep sleeper, then your best chance is that last door opening up. Shout out Justine Chang. Appreciate it. For myself, this is not even a lie. I'd probably just sleep right there. Like
I've seen you sleep
I
there.
don't care at all.
Yeah.
I have zero care in the world. Actually, and I think that there's some sort of psychological thing here where I'm not scared of big spaces at all. Like this big, huge space makes me feel calmer, not more chaotic. I like big open spaces. It's weird. I think most people would be in search of a cave.
Yeah.
Or something more clearly defined.
Yeah.
But I would have no problem just sleeping right there. Now, granted, it's not like a public place. I don't think that I can do that. I can't be the guy in the subway train just fully out cold.
But it is pitch black in here, in this room.
And the climate, I'm big on climate, like having the right temperature. And this room is for sure the most capable from that standpoint.
Yeah.
And it actually doesn't have that many points of entry. So, anyway, something I've always wondered, guys. Unfortunately for these workers, this is the last thing they want to hear, but they got to get these cars pumped out, I guess. And China's not making it easy with their restrictions.
I guess they have to deal with food and showers on their own.
It's gonna be
Washroom.
absolutely wild. Tesla's restarting production at its massive Shanghai factory. The city of 25 million begins to ease lockdown restrictions, according to a report from Bloomberg. This closed loop system is encouraged by Shanghai authorities. Well, yeah. Sleeping, showering, eating, and relaxation. Each employee will receive free meals a day, and a daily stipend of around $63. Only workers who have received 2 vaccination doses will be allowed to enter the factory, and each will take daily nucleic acid tests for the first 3 days back. That's not fun. Shout out Legend. No fun. No fun.
Yeah, hopefully they solve this quickly.
Yeah, get to the bottom of it.